In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can invite friends to game with you in Among Us. So once you've launched the game on your Android or iOS device, this doesn't matter. It will even work on PC. So once you've launched the game, all you need to do is tap on online. And now you have three options: host, find game, or enter a code for a private game. What you want to do to create a game to invite your friends is tap on create game. Then you select your map, your imposter amount, and the max players. So that's fine. I'll tap on confirm one more time. And now I will be in the game and I can go ahead and play, but I don't have any friends to play with. So underneath that grayed out start button, you can see it says code and it says ONJKCF. That is the code that you need to send to your friends so they can join this game. So what your friends will do is once they've launched the game, they won't create a game. They'll go to the bottom where it says enter the code for a private game, and then they'll go ahead and enter that code that you see on your screen. It's very quick and simple to do. So that is how you invite your friends to game with you in Among Us. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.